Hello, everybody. Thanks for following my YouTube channel, Erayan Lilliput. In this time, I'm gonna open a parcel I received from Blycon, Calgary. I'm so happy, so happy, so happy. And we are gonna see what's there on the goodie bags. This event is organized by Kimberly. Thank you so much. Well, the first things we have here is a really lovely postcard from Blycon, Calgary. That it was supposed to be on the Heritage Park Historical Village on 22 August 2020, but we have to do it. They have to do it online. So those are the designs to follow them. Thank you so much. We have also a little basket made in cardboard, and we have the official pins. Look at this. This one is the official dolly. Let's see if it perfectly. Now you can see it. Blycon, Calgary, and we have this other pin from Jenny the artist. Etsy.com. Blycon, Calgary 2020. Thank you so much. I love it. I love it. I love it. Let's see what else we have here. It's a goodie bag full of goodies. Let's see. Another postcard from Blycon, Calgary. And look at this lovely postcard. This lovely girl in green from MotorCityDolly.com, Sandra Co. Greetings from home on the range, the place to stay safe in 2020. Free shipping to Canada and the USA on any purchase over 35 USD for all 2020. No code needed. Thank you so much. It's so lovely. I will keep it in my box of postcards. This is the official design. We can read here. We can.
Hay que dibujarlo.
See, it's for draw. It's drew by Stephen Eck. Stephen Eck is the designer. So let's see what else we have here. We have some cookies. Oh, thank you so much. And really lovely post from a bake shop, Blight Bake Shop Boutique. It's an Etsy shop. You can see it here. Blight Bake Shop Boutique. 1/6 scale goodies, holidays, dolly decor. 10% discount. Thank you so much. I really love it. We have here another postcard. Look at all these lovely colors. All in pink and orange and green. A really lovely postcard. Oh, wait a minute, because it falls to the floor. A lot of cards. Okay, this is the next one. Look at this. It's so beautiful. We have from earthangelstudios.com. This is a really, really lovely shop that has many things. They have beers, they have dolls, they have those houses. It's absolutely gorgeous. We have this other postcard here from Kimberly Cook. She is the one who organizes the Blycon. Thank you so much, Kimberly. It is a lot of work. She has to help us, her mom and her daughter. And it was amazing. Thank you so much. We have here a pair of lovely eyes from Casey Braham from BB Blight Co. You can follow her on Facebook too. She organizes the Blight versus Blight, another online event for dolls. Oh, we have this lovely map, Calgary District. And from Casa 80. Be part of our community, first tips and giveaways. Casa80.com. Every doll's dreams. Oh, thank you so much, Casa 80. This is really lovely. We have another postcard here. This one is the entry. is the entry for the event. Thank you so much. I'm so happy because Canada is so far from me, but I feel I'm near, I'm close to you. Oh, look at this, look at this. Now it's coming Christmas and I have my headband this is from Dolly's Love Dresses, handcrafted fashion from Love from Canada, DollyLoveDresses.com. Please visit all these places of all these artists. This is a napkin. I think this is for a challenge. We have to make a picture of the girls making picnic. Oh, thank you so much. Look at this. Look at this outfit with a fox print. Sweet Dolly Shop, fashion for your bride. Sweet Dolly, Etsy.com. Thank you so much. I will write to all those artists to give thanks. We have here, another two-piece and a red heart. Thank you so much. And we have many, many, many things. Oh my God. We have here shoes donated by Marilyn. Thank you, Marilyn. Let's see the shoes. Oh, my favorite color, green shoes from Marilyn, but I don't know how to find her. I will ask to Kimberly to give her thanks. Thank you so much, Marilyn. Okay, let's see. Another outfit. This is a really lovely blue dress, handmade with love. In this occasion is handmade for you, BrideCon 2020. You can find her on Instagram. My Jane Brinkley. Thank you so much, Dane. I really love the dress. I promise to do pictures to the girls without discloses. Thank you so much. Let's see what else. We have many things here until we have many things. Oh, another lovely postcard from Earth Angel Studio. Celebrated style, treasure beauty. Look at this. Those are all the events they have this year. And you can see everything online on earthangelstudios.com. And here is the information of her website. Some discounts. Her name is Jen O'Connor's Earth Angels Studio. It's a really amazing place, really. You have to visit her shop. Another post from her, another postcard from her. And we have here, a really lovely hat. It is made from Naomi Owen, Whipping Sabiku on Flirk. Here is her mail, her Facebook, and this lovely picture of the dolly. Let's see what else we can hear.
Mama.
Oh, we have one last thing. This lip balm. Look at this. It's a lip balm with the Drew. It's perfect. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to all these people who donate for the event. Thank you so much to Kimberly to organize the event that takes so much time from her time to dedicate of her family. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I really love everything. I hope you love it too. Those are my girls for this Halloween 2020. So everybody together say hello and goodbye. Thanks for watching.